In this video, I would like to discuss with you about multiplexer and demultiplexer. Multiplexer is a logic circuit in which we have many inputs and one output, whereas demultiplexer is a logic circuit in which we have only one input and many outputs. I will cover all these things in this video.
Multiplexer. Multiplexer means many to one. That means a circuit with many inputs and only one output. Multiplexer is used to select or route any one of several inputs to the output, depending upon the status of these control lines. So multiplexer is a device in which it has many inputs and only one output. The selection lines decide which input should be connected to the output line. 4-to-1 multiplexer. 4-to-1 multiplexer means a multiplexer has 4 inputs and 1 output. The 4 inputs are D0, D1, D2, D3, and output is Y. The output depends on the values of S0 and S1. So this is the truth table of 4-to-1 multiplexer. 4 inputs D0, D1, D2, D3. Output Y and control lines S0 and S1. When S0 is 0 and S1 is 0, we get D0 at the output. All other inputs get disabled. When S0 is equal to 1 and S1 is equal to 0, we get D1 at the output. All other inputs D0, D2, D3 get disabled. When S0 is equal to 0 and S1 is equal to 1, we get D2 at the output. All other inputs get disabled. Last status, S0 is equal to 1 and S1 is equal to 1, we get D3 at the output. That means depending upon the status of this control signal, we can select or route different inputs to the output. This is 4-to-1 multiplexer. This is the logic diagram of 4-to-1 multiplexer, in which we have 3 input AND gate, 1 OR gate, and 2 NOT gate. First of all, we are connecting input lines to each AND gate. D0 to the first AND gate, D1 to the second AND gate, D2 to the third AND gate, and D3 to the fourth AND gate. And we have 2 control lines and we have 4 combinations: 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. In order to make the connection easy, we consider 4 lines in which one direct line from S1 and a connection through NOT gate. Same way, direct line from S0 and a connection through NOT gate. For easiness, we are considering the output of NOT gate is 0 and the direct line is 1, to understand connection in an easy way. Therefore, first case, when we consider D0, the control lines are 0, 0. S0 is equal to 0, S1 is equal to 0. Therefore, we are taking output from this NOT gate, or we are connecting from NOT gate. S0, 0, S1, 0. In second case, S0 is equal to 1 and S1 is equal to 0. Whenever we are connecting 0, we are taking it from NOT gate. Therefore, S0, 1 direct line to the second AND gate. Then S1, 0. Therefore, we are taking from NOT gate. Next case, S0 is 0 and S1 is 1. Whenever we see 0, we are taking it from NOT gate. Therefore, S0, we are taking from NOT gate. S1, 1, we are taking directly. In the last case, S0 is equal to 1 and S1 is equal to 1. Therefore, we are connecting directly to the last AND gate. S0, 1, S1, 1. And we have only one output. Therefore, we are using a 4-input OR gate at the output. This is the logic diagram of 4-to-1 multiplexer. Let us see how it is working. So this is our logic diagram in which we are giving first status is 0 and S1. In this case, we have, in this case, 4-to-1 multiplexer select D0. So when I give D0 a high value, the output will be high. When D0 is equal to 0, output is also low. When I change D1 or D2 or even D3, there will be no change in the output. Our second status is S0 is equal to 1 and S1 is equal to 0. In this case, when I change D0, there will be no change in the output. But when I change D1, it is selected to the output. So, when S0 is equal to 1 and S1 is equal to 0, the multiplexer selects D1 to the output. No other inputs get selected. Next, S0 is equal to 0 and S1 is equal to 1. In this case, there is no change. When we change D1, there is no change, but when we change D2, it gets selected. Last case, S0 is equal to 1 and S1 is equal to 1. In this case, no change, but when we change D3, we get an output at this multiplexer. So when we change D3, we get output. So this is all about 4-to-1 multiplexer. Demultiplexer. Demultiplexer means one to many. That means it has one input and several outputs. So demultiplexer is a logic circuit with one input and many outputs. Depending upon the different status of this control, we get input at different outputs. Few types of demultiplexers are 1 to 2, that means one input and two outputs. 1 to 4, one input, four outputs. 1 to 8, one input, 8 outputs. 1 to 16, one input, 16 outputs. This is a 1 to 4 multiplexer in which we have a single input, that is D, and we have 4 outputs, Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. And depending upon the status of S0 and S1, we get D at different outputs like Y0, Y1, Y2, and Y3. This is the truth table of 1 to 4 demultiplexer in which we have only one input D, control lines S0, S1, 4 outputs Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. When S0 is equal to 0 and S1 is equal to 1, we get D at Y0. When S0 is equal to 1 and S1 is equal to 0, we get D at Y1. When S0 is equal to 0 and S1 is equal to 1, we get D at Y2. When S0 is equal to 1 and S1 is equal to 1, we get D at last output, that is Y3. So depending upon the status of S0 and S1, we can route this input to different output lines. Therefore, it is called a 1 input to 4 output. 1 to 4 demultiplexer.
This is the logic diagram of demultiplexer, in which we have only single input line and 4 output lines. S0 and S1 are control lines. If we consider multiplexer circuit, it is very easy to understand demultiplexer circuit. This is the multiplexer logic circuit, in which we have 4 inputs which club together into a single input here. And we have a single output which split up into 4 outputs, Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3. So these are the only differences in the logic circuit between multiplexer and demultiplexer. Therefore, this is our demultiplexer circuit, in which we have a single input line connected to all AND gates, 3 input AND gates, and we have 4 outputs. S0 and S1 are control lines. As in the case of multiplexer, we are connecting high directly to AND gates, and for 0 we are connecting a NOT gate. So whenever we are taking 0 in the input, we consider it from NOT gate. In first case, S0 is 0 and S1 is 0. So we are connecting from NOT gates. So from NOT gate to the first AND gate, NOT gate to the first AND gate. In second case, S0 is equal to 1. So we directly connect it to the second AND gate. S1 is 0. So we are connecting from NOT gate. Third case, S0 is equal to 0. We are connecting it with NOT gate. S1 is equal to 1. We are directly connected to the third AND gate. Last case, S0 is equal to 1, directly connected to the last AND gate. S1 is equal to 1, directly connected to the last AND gate. Then input data is connected to all AND gates. So when we consider S0 as 0 and S1 as 0, we are giving here 0, here also 0. NOT gate converted into 1. Second NOT gate converted into 1. So input of this AND gate is 1, 1 and data line high 1. So output is Y0. In all other cases, any one of the input will get. For all other AND gates, any one of the input will be 0. In this case, this is 0. For this is 0. For this AND gate, this input is 0. Another combination, 1, S0 is equal to 1 and S1 is equal to 0. S0 is equal to 1 comes here. S1 is 0. So it converted to high here, comes here, and data line high here. Therefore, we get an output at Y1. All other AND gate shows a output of 0. The same is applicable in 2 other cases. Now let us see the working of our demultiplexer. First case, S0 is 0, S1 0. When I keep this high, we get output at Y0. When status changes to S0 1 and S1 0, we get output at Y1. When I change status to 1 0, S0 0 and S1 1, when I keep D high, I get output at Y2. Last 1 1, S0 1, S1 1, we get output at Y3. So depending upon the status of input line, we get the same input at different outputs. That is all about multiplexer and demultiplexer. Thank you.